Alright guys, back again with another video. I'm trying to get away from the clap here. I know some of you guys like it, but the thing is I was going through a few of my videos the other day, and it was like every single one started off exactly the same. And I do it unintentionally. Like, it was just something I was doing to get like in the mode to start talking to the camera. Made it more comfortable, but now I'm trying to get away from it. So, sorry if you liked it. So, first thing, I wanted to give a shout out to the new Patreon donor, Heinrich Kolb. Thank you so much, my friend. We have 14 active Patreon subscribers now to the channel, and thank you so much, guys. It's just a huge honor to be able to get on here, talk to you guys, teach you guys, answer questions, and create a community, and for you guys to, you know, give back and support. So the $5 a month, $1 a month, $10 a month, some of you guys are donating in that range. I just want to let you know I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Second thing, I put up a post on the community tab about the Z50 and my thoughts about doing very in-depth tutorials. I was looking on YouTube and I was really disappointed at the coverage of this thing. I mean, some really big YouTubers are not. It seems like they're just using this for the day or maybe 2 days and then just giving these, you know, blanket statement reviews. I don't believe in doing camera reviews like that. For me, I think that things should be used for like at least a month, in depth, really pushing it, using it all the time. And if you guys can see, I have literally, ever since I bought this thing a week ago, I've brought it with me everywhere. If you guys go to my Instagram, I'm constantly sharing and I'm tagging everything Z50 throughout my stories every single day, and I'm just going on posting a bunch of pictures and showing you guys the image quality and what you guys can get out of the Z50. So I'm going to be doing a bunch of series of in-depth videos on different types of, you know, F-mount lenses adapted to it, you know, Z-mount lenses adapted, video, all that stuff. So just give me some more time with the testing and follow along in the Instagram as I post pictures and, you know, just kind of go throughout my day. So today I wanted to make a video on something that it was on my mind and something that I feel may help a lot of you guys and may piss a lot of you guys off. Excuse my language. I'm also trying to clean up the language a little bit. So the thing is, guys, is there's a problem with the photography community that I see, and it's, since I've started a channel, it's come out even more and become more apparent to me now that I'm like a face and I have like a crowd and community of people that I'm talking to and the people are listening to me. It becomes apparent that a lot of people are stuck in something that is extremely detrimental to photography and any type of art or anything that you're going to create that's going to have a soul, a spirit, or anything that's going to move other people. And that is being involved in the reality show and the politics of photography. Okay? I see so many people that are on this team or that team. Nikon versus Sony. Canon versus this, that. I see so many people that are involved in, and I need this piece of gear. Like, I've been getting my videos posted a lot in the Z group on Facebook, and I have joined that group and I just kind of sit back. I don't post a lot in it, but I look at a lot of the posts that come in, and it's so many people are just posting pictures of their gear and their whole lens setup and all that. And guys, I understand it's cool to get new gear, it's fun. But I think if we don't check ourselves, we get caught up in this reality show and politics of photography, and that is the reason why we do photography, and we forget about what it's actually about. What it's actually about. Like, in the whole grand scope of things, are you trying to actually increase your photographic skills and become a real photographer? This doesn't mean that you have to make money off of it. You know, before I started making money and turned my photography into a business, I was focused on trying to become the best photographer as possible. Every single time I went out, it was with the idea that I was going to try and create something absolutely as best as I could, to the best of my ability, and I was going to create something better than I did the day before. It didn't always happen, but that was the goal. I see so many people caught up in this trap of like, I need to represent my brand, or I need to represent this team, or I need to represent my gear setup, or I need to show you that I have this, or I know this I know this information about this. I'm the expert here. But does that all translate into real shooting and creating actual images? I mean, does it? Because in my opinion, it not only does it not contribute to that, it actually erases your ability to go out there and do the most important thing. Let me give you guys a little bit of a secret, okay? The secret that all artists know, and I don't care if this is photography, I don't care if this is painting, I don't care if it's sculpting, whatever, any type of art. If you are a true artist, you know that the most important thing is getting off your ass and creating. Every single day, doing something that's going to increase your art, you're going to make an effort to move forward in your craft and create things, not just talk about all these different aspects. If you're a painter, it's not obsessing over the paintbrushes that everybody else is using. All the other painters, well, I can't use that because of this. That's not this. This is not professional. That's not that. What is the real goal here? And that's every single day to get up and to push yourself creatively. You know, once you start doing that, guys, if you're in that mindset of every single day I'm going to do something to further along my craft and I'm going to chip away at it and I'm going to really push myself to be the best that I can be, regardless if you're trying to make money or not, what happens is there's a force out there in this world and it starts to build momentum behind you. And every single day you put in that effort towards your craft, it starts to conspire to help you and to move forward into what you're doing and give your work a voice and to give yourself a sense of satisfaction in what you're doing. And you find meaning in the world and the things around you through the work that you do. But when you sit online or you sit around and you just are obsessed with the things that you have and your team and arguing over the things that you know versus this person and that, it robs you because it takes your attention and it diverts it into something that is so futile. So futile, has no bearing, and it does not create anything. All those arguments and everything doesn't create anything. It just serves to waste energy. And that's why, you know, I get hundreds of emails now, guys. And I am so appreciative to everybody in this channel. The comments, the emails, the Patreon subscribers, the PayPal donators. And I think you guys know, my wife, Sarah, all the time is like, "What? Get off your phone." Because I'm always on my phone trying to respond back to every single person to make sure that your questions are answered, to respond to the emails. And I know I missed some, but I'm really trying. But I see so many people emailing me saying, "Hey, thanks for your work. I'm a professional photographer. I've done this, this, and this. I run a full-time business. I do this and that. I love the Z's. I do this. I love your message." And they're out there just shooting, guys. They take a second to respond to me and let me know that they're appreciative of the information that I'm putting out there. But they're not in the comments arguing about brands or like, you know, 1 card slots or like 2 card slots or like all those other superficial things that people take these crazy roads out and start, because as soon as somebody's in my, like, you know, in the comments or on a thread online or just talking to me in general about that type of stuff, I know right off the bat that they're not creating and that they're just wasting their time. Because, you know, most people, if they see something they don't like or they don't agree with, they just, okay, that's over there, and I just keep along my way and I'll move on to something else. But then there's a group of people that just want to get into the reality show of it. And I'm trying to tell you guys, you know, this might offend you. You know who you are. If I'm talking to you, you know who you are. But I promise you that stuff will not lead to any type of work or creation or fulfillment that's going to stand the test of time. It's just not. So that's the problem with your photography if you're the person that I'm talking to. All the other people, you know who you are. If you're creating every single day, if you're out there trying to put in work that actually matters and take your stuff to the next level, God bless you. And I am right there with you on the same page, because this is a journey and nobody is ever going to get this right 100%. But the point is we get up every single day and we move towards effort and trying and getting better at our craft. And that is where we'll find the meaning. That is where we're going to find happiness. And that is where we may, if we're lucky, find work that will outlast us in our life. I really hope this was helpful. to you guys. Just something that I wanted to say, maybe a little bit of a rant, but very much appreciated, every single one of you. Thank you so much, and let me know what you think in the comments. Loved having the discussions with you guys in the comments as always. So hopefully this helped, guys. Until the next video.